What if I told you you could build the next Airbnb AI tool or SaaS without writing a single line of code and for less than your Netflix subscription? Let's go. Right now, you're either sitting on a goldmine idea with no way to build it, wasting hours on random YouTube tutorials, or about to drop 10K plus on a developer lengthener. There's got to be a better way. Meet No Code MBA, where you build real projects, AI apps, marketplaces, bots, learn by doing, step-by-step video tutorials. Join a community, no more Googling alone. Pay once, access forever, no subscriptions, all while actually finishing projects, not just watching tutorials. Want an AI text generator? Drag, drop, done. Airbnb competitor? Here's how to add bookings. Automate your biz? Zapier without the confusion. No CS degree required, just follow along. While others charge yearly, this deal gets you 60 plus courses, including cutting-edge AI, private community access, all future updates for less than one freelance hour. And yes, it's risk-free. I built my MVP in hours, not months. Sarah, non-tech founder. Your ideas deserve to exist. Stop waiting. Start building. The link's below. Smash like if you're ready to code less, create more, and subscribe for tools that unlock your potential.